Hi again, I'm Ida. Today we are doing yogurt. Today I'm making yogurt. Two kind of. Okay, are you ready, everyone? Yogurt! Okay, let's make this one first. First, add some milk into a measuring cup. Open the milk. And pour it in. And then add probiotics. First, you open it. You don't need too much probiotics. Just need some probiotics. With some probiotics, you'll make some delicious homemade yogurt, right? Because good parents always did what's right. Okay, now cover it. Okay, put that aside. We can clean it later. The same. Do it again. Now we write what time is it? We're done. First, we need scissors, measuring cup, clean container, milk, and probiotics, and pen. It's the most important thing. You need to wait 24 hours and then after 24 hours, put inside the fridge and then become yogurt! If you like the video, just type subscribe in my channel and click on a link to watch another my video. Bye! If you don't have clean container, the germs. If they have germs, the yogurt will be with germs. Go you. Bye bye everyone.